Right now, your social media and YouTube feeds are probably been flooded with AI tools. And for the past few months, I have been experimenting with lots of AI tools for my animation projects. And in this video, I will share with you my top 9 AI tools for animation and video creation, which you can try out for absolutely free. So I have divided this AI list into 3 different categories, each containing 3 unique tools. And one important note, the rest of this video will be narrated by an AI generated voice. But don't worry, all the words are mine. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the category 1, generative videos using text to video or image to video model.
So number 1 in our list is Minimax by Hailuai AI. On this website, you have the ability to generate videos simply by using text prompts, or you can upload your own images and bring them to life through animation. The quality of the video output is impressive, especially when compared to other free options available right now. It stands out as one of the best platforms for high-quality video generation, surpassing popular tools like Runway and Kling in terms of visual results. Under the free plan, you receive 100 bonus credits daily, which is a nice perk. However, since they are still in beta, these offers may change soon. If you're considering upgrading, here are their paid plans. The only downside of the free plan is the long video generation wait time. In some cases, it might take up to 30 minutes to generate a single video, which can be frustrating if you need faster results. And that brings us to the next tool in the list, Pixverse. With Pixverse, you again get the option to generate videos from images or directly from text prompts. But what makes it different is the customization options you get while generating videos, like motion mode. You can select video length. You can even add camera movement. Also motion brush for image to videos. And you can even include negative prompts if you want to exclude something. And here are some examples, which are pretty good actually. So when you sign up for the first time, you get 100 credits, plus you get 30 credits every day. And here are their paid plans. The next one in our list is Video AI, which is another video generation model where you can generate videos from text prompts or images. And other than that, you can even generate videos from image references.
Now moving on to category 2 of this list, complete video production with AI, where you will generate script, then storyboard, then images, then animate them, and after that adding voiceover and even the background noises and adding SFX, all of it using just a single line prompt using AI. And in this category, number 1 in our list is LTX Studio.
With LTX Studio, you can create an entire movie or trailer with just a single line of prompt or a short description of the story. This AI tool covers everything from casting the main characters to generating an entire storyboard, creating the scenes, and animating them. It compiles everything together, adding voiceover, background music, and sound effects to produce the final movie. LTX Studio offers a wide range of visual styles to choose from. Want an anime style? You've got it. Prefer comic book or manga? It's available too. Or maybe you're looking for hyper-realistic cinematic visuals? LTX Studio delivers that as well. At every stage of the process, you have the option to edit, regenerate, or add new scenes to your film, giving you complete creative control. For free, you will get 3,600 computing seconds of generation, and here are their paid plans. Now let's move on to the second tool in our category, InVideo AI. If you're looking to create a faceless, monetizable YouTube channel, InVideo can automate the entire process for you. Simply enter the idea for your video, and the AI will generate a complete script, search for relevant stock footage, merge everything together, and add voiceover and background music, all within minutes. What's more, you can even edit the video using just text prompts, giving you full creative control without the need for extensive manual editing.
Exposing the magic in winter travel. You'll never see winter the same way after visiting these 5 incredible destinations. First up, Lapland, Finland. Picture yourself in a real-life winter wonderland, complete with reindeer and the northern lights dancing overhead. This magical place offers husky sledding, ice fishing, and the chance to meet Santa Claus in his hometown of Rovaniemi.
Now, let's move on to the third tool of this category, Flicky AI. This tool is quite similar to InVideo, but offers many more customization options. You start by entering an idea prompt and selecting the video duration, although with the free plan, you can generate videos of up to 1 minute. For visuals, you have the choice between using stock footage or selecting AI-generated images and videos. You can also add AI avatars, but that feature requires a plan upgrade. And in just a short time, the tool will generate a complete video that's ready to upload.
Ever wondered where the best winter escapes are? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the top 5 destinations. Number 1 is the enchanting Lapland in Finland.
And now let's move on to category 3 of this list, talking AI avatars. And in this list, the number 1 tool in our list is Hydra.
Inside Hydra, you just need to upload an image of the character portrait, or you can generate it inside Hydra using text prompts. Then enter the script and select a voiceover or upload an audio file.
And your talking AI avatar is ready in no time. Hi, I am created using Hydra.
Okay, now let's move on to our next tool in this category, Rendora AI. Using this AI tool, you can generate 3D animated AI avatars. Inside the website, they have given a wide range of character options to choose from. But if you want, you can even create your own unique avatar.
And this is an example recording created using Rendora AI.
Okay, now moving on to our final tool of the list, HeyGen. This is by far the best AI talking avatar available at the moment. Using this, you can clone any realistic characters, or even clone yourself for your videos. And you also get a lot of pre-saved avatars here in HeyGen to choose from. And for voiceover, you can even set the mood of the tone.
And here is an example recording generated with HeyGen.
Alright, so that was all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.